Candida. Candida is naturally occurring in our large intestine. It is where we have Candida overgrowth that we run into issues. Fungal toxins love hollow tubes. So it might begin in the large intestine and then it can run into many of the other tubes of the body. When there is a lot of Candida, the inside structures are very soggy and damp, as you would expect from a mushroom climate. This interferes with the electrical signals, the hormone signals, all the messengers of the body, because there is a web of this Candida interfering. So removing Candida from the body is a very essential part, and removing it out of the lymphatic system. Removing sugar from our diet is really essential, and it is a very important part of healing our body. I didn't bring up the sugar part till now, although you know at some point we're going to be discussing it, because it is affecting the insulin and it's affecting the pancreas and the immune system. But sugars have no value to offer us, other than that they are sweet and they provide us with emotional comfort. But physically it is a poison and a toxin in the body. And the issue with it is it's feeding Candida and parasites. What we want to do then is we want to increase our white blood cell count in all the different areas so that they can go around and clear the Candida, clean the parasites and clean all of these other things up out of the body. And this is partly why we use the herbs. It is the herbs that support our immune system, which means they each are supporting the white blood cells. So the herbs are feeding the white blood cells, making them stronger and more efficient. They're very sharp hunters. However, we have blocks in our system which need to be removed, and then everything returns to homeostasis. That's 0 point. It is not below and it is not above. It is on a beautiful balance called homeostasis. But some remedies that are very, very helpful for clearing Candida. The first one is probiotics. Healthy bacteria eat up fungal toxins, so having the proper bacteria in our gut is essential. Having enough stomach acid is very important. Now, we've brought up stomach acid before in terms of digesting our food, but also the parotid gland, which are in the mouth, which releases saliva through ducts. This is the first indication to the body if there is an issue, or also about the nutrients in the food. Our immunity is actually triggered from our saliva glands. There's a herb called Artemisa, which is very commonly used to support the immune system, to remove bacteria, viruses and parasites, and it's a very, very useful herb. Astragalus is a Chinese herb which is very beneficial on the gut, breaks down chemicals in the body, breaks down fungal infections really, really well. Ginger is amazing for the digestive tract and also is able to break down these Candida spores and other fungal toxins too. Cayenne pepper is a very beautiful spice. It is spicy. It's recommended when you're taking the tincture to use only 1 or 2 drops. It is a vasodilator, so you have an immediate energy surge due to the oxygen. It is incredibly powerful at removing Helicobacter and other bacteria from the tummy. So cat's claw increases macrophages of the body. Garlic enhances natural killer cells. Ginseng activates natural killer cells and macrophages. Grapefruit seed extract is antifungal, antibacterial and antiparasitic. Oil of oregano is a real boss at correcting the bacteria and the fungal toxins, and it's incredibly beneficial to the kidneys where very many toxins do get stuck. Golden seal is an alkali that kills bacteria and a very powerful support for the kidneys. Licorice root extract prevents viruses from replicating. It increases the production of antibodies. Shiitake increases macrophages, killer cells, and supports the thymus.